Hi guys, welcome back to Model Image. If you're new here, my name is Rashay. I'm a lover of fashion, the business of fashion. I'm also a little obsessed with vintage. Rolling back and talking about something on the business of fashion front. Now, I wanted to just give a little update as to the future of model image, the whole idea behind model image. I actually started it out as a blog ages ago. I did have to stop the blog at some point, but I always knew I would recreate it. And given today's space, YouTube is just where it is for fashion in addition to Instagram. So when I wanted to recreate model image, I started out with YouTube first, but the end goal was always to be able to have an online presence, my own selected collection of clothing and accessories. So right now, I'm in the final stages of creating the online store for model image. And just in a general sense, the items are more of an elevated casual. I don't believe you have to do a lot to not look frumpy, and that's part of the reason why I created model image. But I'll go more in depth with how model image came about and what it stands for in a later video. But I just wanted to give you guys a head up as to the future of model image. And for the model image online store, I will be looking at selected dresses, tops, jeans, jewelry like earrings, rings, necklaces, accessories, and I hope to expand the selection over time. And so I'm not sure how many people are gonna see this video right now, but for me, it would be great for the archives. So I just wanted to give you guys a heads up on what's coming and hope you are interested. Hope you will also follow me on my Instagram account. So my Instagram account is my model image, and the store's Instagram account is at shop model image. So I'll put them on the screen so you can see what they are. But I just wanted to start giving you those updates because it is very close, very close. So stay tuned for the store. Now going into the new in for my Bottega pieces. I was looking for a light bag, a lighter colored bag. I'm not sure if you saw my Bottega collection. I already have like that little croissant intricato bag, and I saw this version. Is a vintage Bottega, tend to go vintage. And I was looking at the lighter version of the bigger bag, the one that's very trendy or was very trendy. But I saw this bag and I've never seen, it's not as common on the vintage market. And so I decided to get it and just try it out. And hopefully it fits in. It's a more structured base, which I tend to like. I don't have things moving around or having to search them or putting too many pouches in my bag. So I'll show you what I got. So for the new Bottega handbag in my collection, it is an intricato. It is like a camel tone type color bag, which is what I wanted for the summer. And so this is, basically it just came, it didn't come with a dust bag, it just came in a regular bag. But voila, this is the newest bag to my collection. And even just with this top that I have it on with, like right here. And so I think, just with like summer wear and, even if I'm just wearing like a white button down, this will look so crisp. So this is what it looks like. So it literally has just like this short handle here. So it'll be great for a shoulder bag. This is the back. And the flap opens up. I just had it stuffed, so let me take the stuffing out. And this is what it looks like inside. So it just has like one back pocket right here. And it's so funny, they have like, these little, back in the day, like for your cell phones. Oh, how nostalgic. But it's like a suede material inside. And of course, the leather is like so soft. It's so soft. And it's like a brassy gold hardware. It's not like shiny, so it won't like jump out at you, even though I do like a shiny gold bling on handbags. But I prefer that it did have the gold hardware regardless. What I also like is that it looks like it holds a lot. So I'm literally just gonna transfer some of the items from the bag that I'm currently using and see just exactly how it holds. So right now, this is just a full crock bucket bag that I have a few items in. I needed a little more space, so I'm just gonna see what. I didn't completely pack this out, and even though it's like bigger, it's narrow on the side, so it doesn't, you know, I didn't pack it up too much. So let's see. So the first thing I have is my very colorful like toiletries case. Let's drop that in here. Next I have an umbrella. It's been, you know, surprise, it's raining right now, so I just throw a little mini umbrella in my bag. I think that's from, you know, one of my habits from living in Jamaica. The other thing that's in here is just my wallet. So I didn't have a lot in here. I have my wallet. This is the Louis Vuitton Victorine. I couldn't remember it the last time. The red thing came off, but just like my cards, etc. in here. And then when I have smaller bags, I literally only take this because this is the product key case. And even right now I have like cards and stuff in the back of it. So when I have smaller bags, I don't use the full size wallet. I just use the key case. So that's it. Is that all that was in here? Oh no. And I have been using, I don't know if you can see. Yeah. This is Celine, but this is like long time ago Celine. So I've just been wearing these this week. And these are like a rounder tortoise shell frames. So these are the Celines. And so I'll pack these away in here as well. Okay, so everything's in. And this is what it looks like. So it does hold, you know, what I need it to hold on a regular day when I want to carry everything. So this is a nice, good size. So I knew it was gonna be, you know, roomy and spacious. I wanted the medium size bag, which is why I was thinking of getting another one of the kind of croissant, the wider base croissant bags. But yeah, so this is the latest to the collection. Speaking of collection, I am doing like full closet and handbag clear out, you know, to make space for any new in. Now that we are looking forward to the summer, it's gonna be a much different summer this year. You know, you have that little bug where you just want to refresh things. So yeah, while I weed stuff out, I may be taking a few things in. What I don't need, however, is another pair of sunglasses, but I have a few pairs of cat eye. I also have the Dior cat eye. I'll put a picture of me in it here. But I saw these, and it's a different type of cat eye. So that's the clue. It is another Bottega Veneta, and I forgot who I saw this on. I think it was Mel Soldera, and I just used her as like my face stunt double. So with the Dior cat eyes, I have like the Fendi cat eye as well, but they're like really cat. I think I also have a D&G, Dolce & Gabbana cat eye, but they're like really cat, so they don't go with everything. And when I saw this, you know, I just thought this would go with a lot more and a more casual outfit. So this is just what it comes with, the usual stuff. Your, you know, cleaning cloth and authenticity card. Authenticity card. How can I say that? Authenticity card. Oh my god. Where's my coffee? I can't say authenticity. Authenticity. What? Oh. Okay, so this is what it comes in. This is just a little case, which is great for throwing it in my bag. And this is the sunglasses I got. So it's these square top cat eyes. I can't show you without the glare. And it has the, let me put this down. It has the Bottega Veneta on the arm right here. And so these are my new sunnies. I can't show you without the glare. Okay, yeah. So I just really like the flat top of these. They're a larger size. And this is my new summer sun. My new summer sunnies. I actually saw these, like Jimmy Choo had a pair, Burberry had a pair. They were all like a similar type of flat top type one. And when I saw this Bottega Veneta one, it was a little bigger than those. And so I thought, I was thinking about this for quite a bit. And then when I saw Mel Sodero wore it, I'm like, oh, that's how it fits. So I decided to just grab these. So I think I'm good for my I think I'm good for my sunglasses collection. I was looking for an aviator sunglasses because I have a pair of Ray-Bans. They're like mirrored lens with like the blue and the green, but you know, the mirrored lens, the minute they start scratching, that you're losing the color. So I might get a new aviator, but I'm just, yeah. And then I think I'm good for my sunglasses collection. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Also, what is the extent of your designer sunglasses collection? I mean, when I realized that I was able to hold on to the designer sunglasses a little longer, or should I say even my cheaper $20 sunglasses, I was able to keep them for a longer period. I felt confident, you know, to start building back that collection. I didn't get them all at the same time, so that counts, right? It took a while to get here. I have, you know, a few pairs now, but let me know in the comment section, you know, if, you know, you're a similar sunglasses collector. You know, it's for my eyes. My eyes are sensitive, so I need a few pairs. As well, I'd love if you follow me on my Instagram accounts, and that's at my model image and at shop model image. While I, you know, keep posting updates, you'll be able to see, if not here, I'll probably have more updates on my Instagram accounts. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you did like this video. And I'd love for you to subscribe. I'd love for you to join the family. So thank you again, and I'll see you guys in the next one.